but
Mm-hmm.
like all of them, all the books in my school and books.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe told us about teaching,
Okay.
but they would write down something.
Oh.
You'll be alright.
Dude, he's 2 HP, bro.
What are those?
These are the pencil and eraser.
Okay. He's having pencil and eraser and a notebook.
Yeah, notebooks
Okay.
and books.
Yeah, so they are ready for their class.
Yeah.
I lasered him.
They're ready. Oh, when you're writing,
Ah, okay.
come on.
Yeah, Spider-Man. This one is the turtle. Teacher turtle, student spider, and this one what?
I don't know what to do. One side blank and one side print. Write blank. But today's date is the 16th. So write 16 in the top
Yo,
of the
Prince, go game channel. Go game channel. Prince, go
page.
game.
Then write
Prince.
the eye and the nose and the mouth. You have to draw them in the boxes. Then you have to write down the name of it. You just need to put it like that.
So what he's doing now?
It's writing.
So now he's writing in his notebook. Okay. So there is a pencil. This one is a notebook.
Yeah,
And this one is an eraser.
yeah. But
Okay.
they also have their backpack. Right here.
Their what?
The backpack.
Ah, that's their backpack.
Yeah.
And then these are what? Books or notebook?
Those are book 2 or Hindi book and Mayflower.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Mhm.
Like they go outside to play. That's what in my school does. So they will do what they do, like all of them. So now it's break time. And after they sing the kitty.
Okay, okay, okay.